Hey Chef Kids, Auntie Laurel here. And this month I just want to give a big shout out to our Chef Kid Joseph, who requested for us to get a tool this month instead of a recipe. So if you have any requests that you want to make for Chef Kids, please tell your parents to visit our website, chefkids.us, and request on our contact us page which activity you would like to do this month. And so our tool this month is our garlic peeler. And I'm going to show you how to use this in just a minute.
But first, let's talk about the engineering design process. What is it and how does it work? Do you want to be an engineer today and learn how to design and test garlic peelers? The engineering design process starts when you ask the following questions about problems that you observe. What is the problem or need? Who has the problem or need? Why is it important to solve? Step 1 is to ask a question. Step 2 is to research and imagine. Step 3 is to plan and design. Step 4 is to create. Step 5 to test. And step 6 is to improve.
Garlic is actually one of my favorite things to eat. But peeling the garlic can not be fun sometimes because your hands can get really, really stinky from the garlic smell. And it also can be really time consuming. So that's the problem we want to solve today. How can we peel this garlic and that it's easier for us and our hands would be less stinky and maybe be also less time consuming? So our question we're going to ask today is there an easier way to peel garlic that would make our hands less stinky and would be less time consuming? What do you Chef Kids think? So during the design process, our second step is to research and imagine. And we're going to look at possible solutions, what other people have done to make it easier to peel garlic, and write all of these ideas down and take diligent notes to find out, is there an easier way to peel garlic? The first easy roll garlic peeler was actually created by Ben Omesi, who was an architect who wanted to make things easier in the kitchen for his wife and for himself when he was making a meal. So he created the easy roll garlic peeler. So there are a few items that individuals use to peel garlic. Sometimes they use the glass jar and they just shake the garlic up inside of the jar. We're going to test that later to see how that works. Other people, they use their hands and they just peel the garlic with their hands and then they see, how did that work? Sometimes that's what they just have to use and that's what they go with. Additionally, there is a garlic peeler that you can purchase in the store and you can peel your garlic that way. Which one works? Which one doesn't work? Which one works best for your situation? We're going to test all of that today. Just stay tuned. So our next step is planning and designing, and this is where you get to use your imagination to find out what works best to peel garlic in the kitchen or whatever problem you're trying to solve. You can use this method of planning and designing to come up with the solution. And so on your handy guide, on step 3, you can actually draw in what you think is going to work to peel the garlic. Now it's creation time. Now you can create the product from the plan and design that you made and follow that to see if it works for peeling the garlic. You might need to create a solution or build a model or a prototype in order to solve the problem that you're looking to solve. You're going to build and experiment until you have found a solution. Remember, it is okay to make mistakes during these steps. This is really what's going to help improve your product. Be okay when you fail. Just keep trying and start over again until it's the way you want it to be.
Now we want to test our garlic peelers. And if you turn the page on your guide, you have on the entire back page a testing the garlic peeler guide. And we have different criteria that we are going to use for testing. So that's the time it takes to peel, the smelliness of our hands, and which one we prefer better. And the tools we're going to need for this is a timer, a glass jar with a lid, which our parents will be using, and the garlic peeler that you received in your Steam in the Kitchen Club package.
On the other side of your Steam in the Kitchen guide, you actually have testing criteria. So how long does it take to peel the garlic? What about the smelliness of your hands? Is that going to be a problem? Also, what tool did you like best? Using your hands, using the garlic peeler, using the glass jar? Well, for this one, your parents are going to use the glass jar because you don't want to break any glass. Make sure that your parent is using the glass jar on this step.
Now we're going to start our testing. We are going to first peel the garlic by hand. Let's time how long it takes to peel the garlic by hand. Now let's smell our hands. Do they smell like garlic? So on a scale of 1 to 5, how did I like peeling the garlic using my hands? Did I like it a lot or did I not like it at all? Use your guide to write down what you preferred. Before beginning this next test, let's remember to wash our hands so that we can get accurate results. Okay, let's get started on our next test for peeling the garlic with a jar. Begin by placing the garlic clove inside the jar and closing the lid tightly. Shake the jar and time how long it takes for the garlic to be peeled. Remember to use your timer to get the accurate time. If you're a child working with a jar, it's important to ask your parent for assistance in shaking the jar to prevent it from breaking. On your guide, write down how long it took to complete this step. Also, you want to give your hands a sniff. Do they smell like garlic? Well, rate the experience on your guide on a scale of 1 to 5 on how you felt using this test. Make sure to wash your hands again before the next test. Our final test will be using the garlic peeler you received in your Steam in the Kitchen Club package in the mail. If you are not in our Steam in the Kitchen Club, you should join. But if you're interested in purchasing this individual Steam in the Kitchen prize, which includes the garlic peeler and the guide, visit our website at chefkids.us. Now place your unpeeled garlic clove into the top of the garlic peeler and on a flat surface roll the garlic peeler up and down to unpeel the garlic. Think about how the garlic peeler works. The silicone, the rolling of your hands on the countertop. Do you see the engineering design of creating that product? Now, on your guide, create your own garlic peeler that you would think would work or improve upon this garlic peeler.
Now, Chef Kids, the last step on our engineering design process is improving. How can we improve either our garlic peeler, using our hands, or our glass jar? Are there any improvements that we can make? On your guide, you are more than able to draw in how you would like to improve these garlic peelers, or you create your own and test that. I would love to see what you guys came up with. All right, see you next month.
Thanks, Chef Kids, for being a part of the engineering design process this month. As you can see, every tool has an engineer, every meal has a chef, every design has a designer, every invention has an inventor, everything created has a creator. And you can be part of the inventing process and making something new that can better our world. See you guys next month. Make sure to subscribe and follow us on YouTube, on Instagram, on Pinterest, and we'll see you in the next Steam in the Kitchen Club.